In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Canva newsletters in Mailchimp so you can quickly bring your Canva designs into your email campaigns without wasting time downloading, uploading, and rebuilding everything from scratch. This is a really helpful workflow if you create your newsletter layouts in Canva and want a faster way to move them into Mailchimp for email marketing. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your web browser and go to Mailchimp. Once the site loads, sign into your Mailchimp account using your email address and password. After you log in, you'll land on your Mailchimp dashboard where you can manage your audience, campaigns, and integrations. Now look over to the left-hand menu and click Integrations. This is the section where Mailchimp connects with third-party apps and services, so it's the right place to link your Canva account. Once you're on the integrations page, use the search or browse option to find Canva. When Canva appears, click Connect. Mailchimp will begin the connection process, and you may see a prompt asking you to continue. If that happens, click Continue so you can move to Canva's authorization page. This step is important because it gives Mailchimp permission to access your Canva designs. Next, Canva may ask you to sign in. If you're not already logged in, enter the email address and password for the Canva account that contains the designs you want to use. Make sure you choose the correct Canva account, especially if you have more than one, because this is where your newsletter designs need to be stored. After you sign in, Canva will show you the permissions that Mailchimp is requesting. Take a moment to review those permissions carefully. If everything looks good, click Allow. This confirms that you want to connect the two platforms and share access to the designs inside Canva. Once access is approved, Mailchimp will sync with Canva, and you should now be able to see the available Canva designs inside your Mailchimp account. From here, you can browse your designs, select the newsletter you want, and use it in your email workflow. This makes it much easier to create polished, branded emails without starting from zero. At this point, choose the design you want to work with and follow the on-screen options to add it to your Mailchimp campaign. Depending on the design and your setup, you may be able to edit, import, or use it as part of your newsletter content. The key thing is that your Canva designs are now connected and ready to use inside Mailchimp. If you want to save even more time, it helps to keep your Canva files organized by campaign, date, or client so you can quickly find the right newsletter later. That way, when you come back to Mailchimp, you already know exactly which design to select. And that's how you use Canva newsletters in Mailchimp. You've connected the accounts, allowed access, and opened the door to a much smoother newsletter design workflow. If this video helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.